have probably heard that music can have healing powers, and that's the focus of a new digital therapy helping stroke patients in Maine and across the country regain their ability to walk.
A Portland startup named MedRhythms created a system that uses sensors, software, and recorded music. It's even available by prescription for patients to use in the comfort of their homes. News Center Maine's Vivian Lee explains.
A device that uses music to improve a patient's walking hit the market earlier this year.
It's being prescribed by doctors and used by stroke survivors in their homes and paid for by insurance.
Owen McCarthy and Brian Harris launched MedRhythms, a medical technology company, 8 years ago. Its neurorehabilitation system, InTandem, could be a game changer for millions of stroke survivors in the U.S. and in Maine.
MedRhythms with the InTandem comes with a clinical trial that says it can improve walking speed and quality.
The system is delivered to a patient's home. It includes shoe sensors, a headset, and a touchscreen device preloaded with software. Patients attach the sensors to their shoes, don a headset, and pick from a music playlist.
And then hit "I'm ready to walk." It counts down.
The patient's gait and cadence are measured by the sensors, which adjust the music's tempo. The change in tempo triggers a response in the brain that helps the patient walk faster and more easily. Eventually, the brain can be rewired to facilitate better walking, even without music.
Every time you use it, it gets better.
Every time you use it, he gets better.
Jay Burdett suffered a debilitating stroke 8 years ago. Even after weeks of rehab, doctors told his wife, Kristen, her husband would have to rely on a wheelchair to get around. Using a cane, Jay started using InTandem 3 times a week, 30 minutes a day last fall, which is recommended by the company. Now, the grandfather can walk a mile around his family's camp with a smile on his face.
You go to the beat. Boom, 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 boom.
When he wears that, he really can go quite quickly. You know, it's amazing, you know, and it's beginning to really transfer into his everyday walking.
Innovation developed in Maine is bringing real hope to stroke survivors and their families as they regain skills and improve their daily lives. The monthly fee to rent the device is $1,800. Out-of-pocket costs to patients will vary based on a patient's insurance, but MedRhythms is working with patients and their doctors to ensure that the InTandem system is accessible. In Portland, Vivian Lee, News Center, Maine.